To access your email account with Namecheap, follow these steps. First, make sure you have a domain name registered with Namecheap and an email hosting plan set up. Next, go to the Namecheap website and log in to your account using your username and password. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard and click on Email Manager. In the Email Manager section, you will see a list of all your email accounts associated with your domain. Click on the email account you want to access. You will be taken to a page where you can manage your email account settings, including changing your password and setting up email forwarding. To access your email account, click on the Check Email button or go to the webmail interface provided by Namecheap. You can also set up your email account on your local device using an email client such as Outlook or Mozilla Thunderbird. To do this, you will need to know your email account settings, including the incoming and outgoing mail server addresses, your email address, and your password. The incoming mail server address for Namecheap is mail.yourdomain.com and the outgoing mail server address is also mail.yourdomain.com. Make sure to replace your domain with your actual domain name. The username is your full email address and the password is the one you set up for your email account. By following these steps, you should be able to access your email account with Namecheap. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Namecheap support for assistance. Remember to always use a secure connection when accessing your email account and to keep your password confidential to prevent unauthorized access.